Me again. I thought I'd show you some of these little bird points here. Even down to a nice little paleo bird. But here's the sweetie. You guys want to see this sweetie. Ain't that nice? Whoop. Pick it back up again. It's hard to hang on to. Let's try it again. Oh, ain't that a sweet little bird point? Here, I'll hold it with 2 fingers. Yeah, that's a killer there, ain't it? I think they call it a huffaker or something like that. Old Cahokia point. Nope, I gotta keep a hold of it. Look at it there. Here's a little bitty one. Look at that thing. Yeah, all these are little bitty things. Oh, man, I can't even hang on to the doggone things are so small. Old fingers don't work too good. When you get old. No, good. Here's another little good one. But anyway, I just wanted to share those. Those are pretty good ones there. I've got better ones, but actually this is probably my best one right there. I call it my best one because it's just, I mean, what more could you ask for? It's just a badass little point. I mean, really, you look at that and it's like, wow. And you guys don't want to hear the story, of course, of how I found it, do you? I doubt if you do. I was swimming at a swimming beach, and I was a little kid. That point there, I think I was probably about 8 or 9 years old when I found that one. But I was at a swimming beach. We was camping in this camping area. I was digging in the sand. About that time, something cut my finger down there. I reached down there and pulled that out of there. Man, everybody in that whole swimming beach was trying to get that point from me. I thought I was going to have to fight to get out of there. I wasn't letting that baby go. But, yeah. As soon as I found it, everybody, I mean, just made a beeline over there. Like, oh, no, you guys can't have my point. But anyway. Here's my killer Dalton drill with the crystal inclusion right there in that corner. It's a pretty cool little drill. Ooh. Another Dalton drill. I got a whole bunch of them laying around here. Anyway, I'm going to get off here. I did want to kind of show you that little bird point there. It's kind of cool. And I guess we'll talk to you guys later.